Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and get paid for your opinions through sites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vandal Research. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on sales through affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Blogging. Start a blog and monetize it with ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Selling products online. Sell physical or digital products through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Online tutoring or teaching. Teach a skill or subject you know well, and get paid for it through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Chegg. Virtual assistant. Offer your administrative or technical skills as a virtual assistant through platforms like Fancy Hands or Upwork. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals and get paid for it through platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer. Stock trading or investing. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets through online trading platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or eToro. Online gaming. Participate in online gaming tournaments and competitions to earn money through sites like Twitch or YouTube Gaming.